Transform your cooking experience. A cooking pot that helps you make healthier and more nutritious cuisine. Sommi Oven Cook. In conventional cookware, food gets heated from the bottom, sometimes resulting in burnt food and upper areas remaining somewhat uncooked. But Sommi Oven Cook works like an oven and delivers heat uniformly inside the pot, resulting in evenly cooked healthy food. In a comparison of convection currents of cookwares, you will notice that in Sommi Oven Cook, even temperature distribution inside the pot prevents the contents from boiling over. The air layer at the bottom helps deliver heat in all directions within the pot and prevents excessive temperature increase in one area. With Sommi Oven Cook, you can not only cook, but also bake bread just as deliciously as you do in an oven. With Sommi Oven Cook, you can roast chicken without adding water or cooking oil. Enjoy healthy roast chicken drained of unhealthy animal fat while retaining inherent moisture that makes the chicken nice and tender. In Sommi Oven Cook, cooking is made easy by using the moisture within the vegetables, which helps retain critical vitamins inside the vegetables. With Sommi Oven Cook, you can cook any frozen food instantly without fear of burning food, as it maintains internal temperature balance and avoids uneven temperature increase. Overcooked or burnt food made in conventional cookwares contain the deadly cancer-causing chemical benzoprene. No such worry with Sommi Oven Cook. Sommi Oven Cook, your new kitchen partner for a healthy and nutritious lifestyle.